Hey everybody, welcome back to Grey County Grillin. I'm Chris, and today we are going to be cooking some steaks sous vide style. That's right, I got a sous vide sent to me from Inkbird. Thank you very much to them. And we are going to try it out for the first time today, and we'll see if I can do this without screwing up horribly. Here is our Inkbird Sous Vide in a nice big canning pot that we have. That's probably the only thing we have that's big enough to hold the sous vide, 3 steaks, and the amount of water that we need. The steaks are seasoned with salt, pepper, and garlic, nothing fancy. Once we get them cooked to a nice medium, 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 62 degrees Celsius, then we're going to sear them in cast iron. So right now I'm just going to set the temperature and then get it started. Hit the set button, and then the temperature up to 62. There we go. So I'm going to, you can see already, I'm just going to zoom in on the water, that it's already circulating in there. Which I guess it's supposed to do that. And we are just going to let these things go for a couple of hours and we'll see how they go. We've been going for about an hour and a half now, and you can see they're starting to look pretty good. The garlic that I put in there is turning blue, which is always cool to see that happen. It's totally fine, nothing wrong with the garlic, it just happens to turn blue sometimes. We're at about 104, we're at exactly 140 degrees. And we're gonna let this go for about 15 more minutes before we pull them out, and then we will get them seared. And here are our steaks after they have cooked for about 1 hour and 45 minutes, somewhere around there. We're just gonna pat them off. The dry steaks are important for the sear. You need a really good sear as long as your meat is nice and dry. Okay, we're just going to wait for the cast iron to get really hot and then we'll start searing. The pan is nice and hot now. So we're going to throw some butter in first. And we're going to sear them like this for about 1 to 2 minutes aside. It's been about 2 minutes, so we'll give them a flip now. And then we'll go for another 2 minutes on this side. And that is another 2 minutes on this side, so we'll take these off. We got one more to sear, and then we will cut in to see how they look. And there are the steaks all done. We got a really great sear on them with the cast iron. Now we're just going to cut in, take a quick look. That looks awesome. Wow. I can't believe how good that looks. Well, they're going to be awesome when we eat them. Not going to worry about that right now. Just wanted to see how well they were cooked through. They look amazing. And sous vide could turn out to be my new favorite way to do steaks. We'll see. Well, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Share with your friends. And if you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell next to it so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.